Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you 3 ways on how to contact TikTok customer service. So the very first option is through their application. If you go to your profile icon right here at the bottom right corner and then hit the icon with the 3 lines, and let's go to settings and privacy. If we scroll down to the bottom of the page, we should be able to contact them here at support and about. If we have an issue regarding the app, we can select the report a problem section, and we can send them directly a feedback, or we can choose one of the articles to help us. Or we have the support option, which also leads us to the help center, where we can contact the customer service team right here. The second way to contact the TikTok customer service is through Twitter. They have this account which is TikTok support, where you can find answers to all sorts of questions about your app and your account, or you can just send them directly a DM and contact them regarding the issues that you may have. So the very last option you can use is to contact them through the email addresses that appear right now on the screen. You can just create a new email to the TikTok customer support team and explain them the issue that you are facing so that they can help you with that. So this is all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.